Good morning, guys. Welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how to service reset a Mercedes A-Class. It's a 2019 model. We did an oil change and I'm going to show you how to service reset this or oil reset this manually by hand, so you can do it for yourself or for others. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support. Any questions, any comments, you can use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. As I mentioned, it's an A-Class. It's A-Class 2019 model. It's a new model. It's all digital, new design. And I'm going to show you how you can reset this manually for yourself. Okay, let's start. We start with turning off the ignition and then press the ignition once. So you have two ignition options, the first one and the second one. We're gonna use the first one. The first one is where the airbag indicator and the handbrake indicator turns on like this. This is the second one. Here all the lights turn on, and this is the first one. Yes. And once you are here, you have to be on the odometer. You can use this button to go to the menu, and you have to go to a journey, this indicator, and once you are there, you're gonna use this one. Okay. To enter the surface menu, we're gonna use these two buttons, the return button and the menu button. First of all, you press the return button and right away the menu button for 5 seconds, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have to let go. Then on the background, the surface menu is opened. To enter it, you press this one and you scroll to the left, and then you see these indicators. Once you are there, enter with this one, go to Assist Plus, and now it says turn on the ignition. Yes, turn on the ignition, and then you have to go to this menu. Scroll down for complete surface, enter, confirm surface, enter, oil grade, another confirmation, and another confirmation with this one. Yes, once you have done that, it has been resetted. If you have any questions, use the comment area. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and hope to see you next time with another video. That was it for today. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.